living in our camper van for 3 weeks with our 3 small children. We are traveling all the way around the South Island and squeezing in as much as possible. Previously, we took a rough ferry ride through the ocean in order to get our camper van to the South Island. We kicked off our South Island adventure with a long, hot hike to an incredible shipwreck. We ended a great first day in the South Island with some surfing. Today, we continue south and we see firsthand the restoration efforts to restore the roads after a massive earthquake. We also paddle with seals. We started our day by driving south the rest of the way towards Kaikoura. Leading into our trip, we were nervous that the road to Kaikoura wouldn't be open. Just a little over a year earlier, there was a massive earthquake that completely destroyed sections of the road. It was the second biggest earthquake since the European settlement of the country. The road was due to open just 6 days before we were supposed to drive through, and we were nervous that there could be a delay with the opening. If the road didn't open, we would have to take an alternative route and skip out on Kaikoura. We don't have too many options for roads in New Zealand. The road was also only open during the day, so we had to time it right in order to get through. Luckily, everything worked out and it was absolutely fascinating driving through. There was still so much construction everywhere. It appeared they were using shipping containers as barriers between the rocks and the road. I can't even imagine what a huge effort it has been to get the road back open. After driving along the beautiful coastline, we finally made it to Kaikoura. Kaikoura is known for whale watching and seals. Unfortunately, the boat tours don't allow kids under 3. We had to do some investigating to see if we could find them on our own. We went to a local kayak shop and talked to them. We left with a general idea and set off to find a good launching spot. We're getting ready for a paddle in Kaikoura. We met a nice local. He was going to stick around and watch us launch. I mean, I've never been this close to him, and then he like jumped in the water and swam. Ah! So exciting. Next time on Always an Adventure with Kids, we head inland to the famous Arthur's Pass. We test our nerves as we climb through a cave from one entrance to the other. We also climb through Castle Hill, which feels like a fairy tale. See you next time!